ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. In this Viveka Chudamani reading today, we will cover one topic called Annamaya Koshamu, the outermost shell which is considered as self. Annamaya Koshamu. దేహోయమన్న భవనోన్నమయస్తు కోశో హ్యన్నేన జీవతి వినశ్యతి తద్విహీనః త్వక్ చర్మ మాంసరుధిరాస్తి పురీషరాశిః నాయం స్వయం భవితుమర్హతి నిత్యశుద్ధః. From this shloka onwards, Shankara Bhagavad is directly instructing the seeker with a Upanishadic Vidya called Panchakosha Vichara. So it takes from outermost layer to all the way into the innermost layer. So today the focus is on the Annamaya Kosha. Anna Bhavanaha, so by which is constructed by the food. I am this dehaha, body. Annamaya koshaha, it is called as the food stilch. He annena jevati, so it is only nourished or it is only protected, it is only kept alive by the food what is being eaten. Tad vihinaha, once the food supply is stopped to this body, vinasyati, it will perish. Tvak, charma, etc. So all the sapta dhatus, right from skin to the innermost majja, means bone marrow. Tvak, mamsa, rudhira, asti, purisha, mala, all these filth which is generated by the body. Rasihi, which is combination of all these things. Ayam swayam nitya suddha atma bhavitum na arhati. It can't be a ever pure self. It can't be ever pure self because it is ever impure. Purvam janerapi mruteratha nayamasti జాతక్షణక్షణ గుణో నియత స్వభావ నైకో జడశ్చ ఘటవత్ పరిదృశ్యమానః స్వాత్మా కథం భవతి భావ వికారవేత్త. జనే పూర్వం మృతే అథః, బిఫోర్ ద బర్త్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద డెత్, అయం దిస్ బాడీ నాస్తి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. జాతక్షణక్షణ గుణః, so from second to second changing quality which is continuously changing. Aniyata swabhavaha, not having any distinct nature. Swabhavaha aniyata swabhavaha. Naikaha, it is having multiple limbs. Jadascha, normally unconscious. Ghatavat paridrusyamana, appearing like a pot. Ghatavat paridrusyamanaha. This body, bhava vikaravetta, it is grasped by the bhavas. Swatma kadham bhavati, atma is something which is grasping the bhavas, which is being, so how it cannot become swat, the self or the soul. Pani padadiman deho natma vyangyepi jivanat తత్తచ్ఛక్తే రణాశాచ్చ న నియమ్యో నియామకః. పాణిపాదాన్, which is having these limbs called feet and hands, పాణిపాదాన్, దేహః, ఆత్మా న, it can't be the atma. Vyangyepi, even those people who don't have the feet and hands, పాణిపాద vyangyepi జీవనాత్ తత్తచ్ఛక్తే, so people without the limbs are also continuing to live. Anasascha niyamyaha na niyamakaha. So this is being controlled, not the controlling power itself. Atma is the controlling power. Atma gives the consciousness and controlling power to this Annamaya Kosha. So this Annamaya Kosha can't be Atma. So Shankara is proving by different yuktis here. శల్యరాశిర్ మాంసలిప్తో మలపూర్ణో అతి కల్మషః కథం భవేదయం వేత్త స్వయమేతద్విలక్షణః. శల్యరాశి, which is built on the frame built by the bones. Mamsaliptah, covered with the mamsa, the meat around it. Malapurnaha, which is accumulating the filth always continuously in the process of called life. Atikalmashaha, so it is always impure. Ayam etad vilakshanaha atma. Atma is ever pure, nirmala, swayam prakasha, etc. It can never become atma. Kadham bhavet, how will it become? Not even a doubt can come here. త్వం మాంస మేధోస్తి పురీషరాశ వహమ్మతి మూఢజన కరోతి విలక్షణం వేత్తి విచారశీలో నిజస్వరూపం పరమార్థభూతం. మూఢజన, who is a fool, who is revolving around bhranti, his mind is not focused. Tvangmansa medosti purisharasau, what all this combination of all these different dhatus. Aham, he is bringing a concept of aham into this. Karoti, aham matim karoti. Vicharaselaha, somebody who he can question this concept, question this belief. Vilakshanam, deha vilakshanam, paramartha bhutam, which is there in the all the three times. Nijaswarupam, Paramatma is Atma, Vyetti. One, he will know the true nature of the self as completely distinct, different and opposing nature to this Annamaya Sarira. Dehoha mityeva jadasya buddhihi, dehecha jive vidushastwaham viveka vijnanavato mahatmano brahmaha mityeva matihi sadatmani. So, by inquiring into this nature, jadasya deha eva aham. For somebody who has no wisdom, no inquiring ability, deha eva aham iti. So, he will conceptualize body as self. Vidushastu, for somebody who is wise, dehecha jive aham dhi. In the body or in the controlling jiva itself, ahandhi, aham. So the jiva which is distinct from this deha, you have to separate the jiva from the deha. Viveka vijnanavataha, one who has got viveka janya vijnana, mahatmanaha, for such a mahatmanaha. So for a vidusha is only a Pandita who is not having the realization experience but understood these shastras is Vidusha. Vidusha thinks there is a jiva which is distinct from the deha, body, who is the self. But for the viveka vijnanavataha, one who has got viveka and vijnana, by the viveka, one who has realized the self, mahatmanaha atmani ahameva Brahma iti sadamatihi. So one who has got the realization, he will realize that this Atma is nothing other than the supreme reality or the self. That's why atra Atma buddhim tyeja moodha buddhe tvangmamsa medosti purisharasau sarvatmani brahmani nirvikalpe Kurushva Santim Paramam Bhajasva. Hey Modhabadhe, he is asking, oh, Modhabuddhi is a foolish mind. Tvang Mamsarasau, all these things which is making up this Annamaya Sirira, which is being nourished by Anna, and if you don't supply the Anna, which is falling down. Considering this, Atra Atma Buddhim Tyaja, in this body, give up the concept of this is the self. Atma Buddhim Tyaja, Sarvatmani, which is the consciousness which is animating everything here. Sarvatmani, Nirvikalpe Brahmani. The supreme consciousness, Brahma, is actually animating the whole of this world. Sarvatmani, Brahmani, Nirvikalpe, Kurushva. Put your concept of self in such a universal self, universal soul, the consciousness which is animating everything here. Paramam Shantim Bhajasva. So, by that, you will achieve supreme peace. Paramam Shantim Bhajasva. Enjoy the supreme peace by getting that right conceptualization. Dehendriyadavasati pramoditam vidyanahantam najahati yavat tavannatasya vimukti varta pyasteva vedantanayantadarsi. Vidwan, you know, Vidwan is the wise man, or the one who has studied, one he is a seeker, is called Vidwan. Asati, in the asat, in the non-self, Dehendriyadav, body and senses, Yavat Brahmoditam, all the up to whatever level the Brahma, whatever Brahma has come, Ahantam, which is generating that this is me, Ahantam, Najahati, is not leaving that such a concept, saying that this Deha, this Indriyas are I am, Tavat, until then, Tasya, for that person, Vimukti Varapti, Vimukti Vartapi Nasti. There is not even a word called Vimukti Varta Api Na Asti. Vimukti Varta Api Na Asti. Forget about the realization. That word realization is also not there. Yashaha Vedanta Yantadarsihi, having seen the Vedanta Shastra till the end, Astu, let him have has seen the Vedanta Shastra till the end also. If he has not given up the abhimana or the concept of this body, this sense organs, this mind, everything, all these things as self, he is not suitable for even talking the word of liberation. So, continuously do the nididhyasana and remove this adhyasa, remove this wrong conception. Chaya sarire pratibambagatre yat swapna dehe hrudi kalpitange yathatma buddhis tavanasti kachit jivacharire chatadhaiva mastu. So Shankara actually giving a wonderful advice here. You never consider your chaya sarire, the shadow, as self. The shadow is falling from you only, but you don't consider it as self. Similarly, when a pratibimba comes, you stand in front of a mirror and you see a reflection of you, you will not consider it as self. Yat swapna dehe, in the dream, it is not this body which is actually enjoying or suffering those dream experiences. So there is a body there is a body which is swapna deha is there, swapna deha which is taking all these experiences. But in that body, nobody gets, that is me only. After waking up, that goes away. Hrudi kalpitange, even sometimes you can only assume that I am somebody else and enjoy or suffer some things, but you will not, like a daydreaming. Yadhatma buddhis tava nasti kachit, as there is no feeling of self in those different items generated by this body, in the same way jivat sharirecha tathaiva mastu, in this body also, in the annamaya kosha body also, don't feel that that is the self. So finally, concluding this annamaya kosha's description or annamaya kosha's rejection, देहात्मधीरेवन् ऋणामसद्धियां जन्मादिदुःखप्रभवस्य बीजं यतस्ततस्त्वं जहितां प्रयत्नात् त्यक्ते तु चित्ते न पुनर्भवासा. यतः, by all these reasons which are explained above, asadhyam, in temporary, non-permanent, asat dhyam, whatever is distinct from the Sat, truth eternal, all these different bhinnatma vastus which are there, Nrunam for the people, for the naras, for those people who are going around as humans here, Dehatma dhireva, getting a feeling of, in this body, a concept of Atma, I, a concept of this is I am. This feeling alone is the janmadi dukkha prabhavascha bijam. It is the seed of birth onwards, all these six transformations which are there. Janma adi dukkha prabhavasya karanam bijam. So that is tataha tam, that dehatma buddhi prayatnat, by effort of sravana manana nididhyasana shastriya prayatna, whatever is there, whatever is approved by the shastra, by such prayatna, such type of effort, jehi, leave or kill or remove, basically jehi, chitte dehadau tyaktetu, in the memory, deep inside the memory, chitte dehadau tyaktetu, leaving this body consciousness, punaha bhavasa na. So only after leaving that wrong concept of this body as I, you can have a desire to not to be born again. So dehatma buddhi is the cause of lot of these troubles. So that need to be removed is the conclusion of Annamaya Kosha's rejection, the today's topic. Swasti.